Alright, so tonight I'm going to show you how to get out of the garage if you have a busted spring on a big door with 2 springs. Now, if you have a big door with only 1 spring, don't attempt to do this because, you're going to do a whole bunch of damage. So, you can barely even see me. I'm like cutting myself off here. Sorry. Better. Okay. Now, I don't have a broken spring. I completely don't want that spring for this purpose. So, all you're gonna do, and you're gonna need, is your clicker. Or, if you have more than 1 person with you, throwing at the wall control. But in this case, I don't. Then, all you're gonna do is you're gonna hit the button and help the door out. So, here we go. Help it up. Simple as that. Okay? And then get whatever you need out of here. Cars, bikes, lawn equipment, whatever you need out of here until you get your new springs. Okay? Now, once everything's out of the garage that you need, you want the door closed. Okay, so to do that, make sure you didn't put any vice grips on the door, tracks, nothing in the way. And then you just hit the button and help the door down. Now, you want to help, this is very important, you want to help the door down. If you don't, something could get damaged. Now you're thinking, why don't I just pull the red emergency release cord? You don't want to do that because if you do, the door's going to slam to the ground and damage it. So, hit the button and help the door down. I'm gonna be careful too in case the other spring breaks or something else happens. There you go. Door's down. Okay? Once the door's down, you can release it. Now, if it's going to be a couple days before you get your new springs, if you have a slide lock, use it. That way, nobody can get in. Now, if you want, you can also remove where you can pin on the arm and slide the arm over. That'll also prevent it from getting open because with a broken spring, it is easy to open, but not super easy. And as you can see, it does slam closed if you're not careful. So, hope this video helps. And that's how you get out of a garage with a busted spring. I'll catch y'all later.